Hey YouTube, I promised you guys that I would show you exactly how I make some love butter, so let me jump into the video for you right now. So I have a mason jar here, and I want to show you how you could take a bulb of garlic and then you could unpeel it easily just by putting the seal on it and giving this baby a nice shake just like I'm doing. Check me out, y'all. Now what I want to do is I want to smash each piece of the garlic, alright? And then after I smash these pieces, I want to give them a nice chop along with that parsley. Stay with me, y'all. Don't go nowhere. If you do, you'll never learn how to make this love butter. Now I want you to go ahead and turn your stovetop on onto high heat because we're going to melt our butter. So the butter of choice right now is going to be some unsalted butter, and I got 3 sticks of butter. So in a nice size saucepan, I'm going to toss in the 3 sticks, and I want to melt these babies down. Check me out. So at this point, what I'm going to do is I want to skim the top of this here butter so I can remove the milk solid. And that's what we're doing right now. I got a strainer and I'm removing the white stuff that you see floating on top of the butter. That's milk solid. Now you can use a spoon with this if you don't have one, but a strainer will work easily for this here recipe because we're using this to turn the butter into clarified butter. Now I want you to go ahead and turn your stovetop off, and I want you to set your pot to the side. As you can see, there's no more milk solids floating on the top, so it's ready to cool down. After that, we want to go ahead and toss in our garlic and let it sit for at least around about 15 minutes. Now I want you to go ahead and pour that butter and that garlic into a container. Make sure you get every piece of garlic out of that pot into that container. Now I want you to go ahead and take that fresh chopped parsley and add it to the butter. If you can, please use fresh parsley only. Don't use the dried parsley, because the fresh parsley will give it a nice color whenever you're cooking whatever you're gonna cook. Now I want you to add some Weber's roasted garlic and seasoning to this. I'm telling you something, this is gonna add the flavor to your dishes, y'all. So you can use as less as you want or much as you want. It will not hurt the butter. I'm telling you. After that, I want you to go ahead and give this baby a mix and then pop the top on it, because I want you to put this in the fridge. And after that, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with this baby. Now, after we've let this set in the fridge for a while, I want you guys to go ahead, man, and start mixing this baby up. I want you to dig all the way down in the bottom. Stir this up. Do not try to stir this up whenever it's fully solid. I want you to do it in the midway point and dig deep down and get this thing all mixed up. You understand? Because we want to take whatever was sitting at the bottom and we want to incorporate it in our butter. So whenever we take a scoop of this and cook with it, we're going to get all flavors and not just the butter at the top and everything at the bottom. And then I want you to smooth that top out. Put the top back on it and place it into the fridge. I'm telling y'all something right now. This love butter will change your life. Trust me, it did mine. So right here I have some lobster tails that I found for $7 and some change. Where they do that at? 2 lobster tails. And I didn't season these babies up with nothing. Only thing I did was add that love butter to the pan, and this is what I got, y'all. This is it. I'm telling you. So try the love butter. You can do it on anything. Fish, as you can see, you can do it with lobsters. Even if you can't cook, if you do this right here, it'll make it, people will think you're the best cook in the whole wide world. But this right here would definitely change how you do things in the kitchen. So I want to tell you guys, man, if you ain't tried nothing else, try this right here. Now go back and watch that shrimp recipe, that butter garlic shrimp recipe that I just posted. Now you already know what to do with the butter. Go try it with some shrimp, and I guarantee you're gonna love it. Check out Ray Matt's Kitchen and Grill and share this with friends, y'all. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below and tell me if you like this here recipe. And please, y'all, subscribe to this channel. And do me a favor, watch these other videos because they definitely will help out the channel. I love you guys. Love and not hate. Love somebody. And please